Hello student. Now the topic is molarity. देखो MOLARITY. If the solution have molar given, it means this is a molarity. Concentration and molarity both are same. It is represented by a capital M. So now what is the definition? Number of moles of solute dissolved or present in 1 liter or 1 decimeter of solution. 1 liter means 1 liter means 1 decimeter cube, and 1 ml is equals to 1 centimeter cube. So just you learn. Okay, now here the definition of molarity. Okay, now what is the formula of molarity? It is represented by capital M. It means number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Okay, now here you know the formula of number of moles, so we can also write mass of solute upon molecular या molar mass of solute. Molar mass or molecular mass both are same. Molar mass of solute into volume of solution in liter. Okay, clear? Now what is the unit? So you just check. There is a mole and there is a liter. So unit is what? Unit is mole per liter. Okay, now here molarity is inversely proportional to volume. If the molarity is increases, volume decreases. Yeah, volume increases, molarity decreases. It means the very important note, molarity is dependent upon volume. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now suppose you have 2 capital M means molarity, yeah, molar, 2m sugar solution. Suppose you have 2 molar sugar solution, and what is the meaning of that? 2 molar means 2 moles of solute, present or dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Clear, all of you? Clear? Very easy. Suppose you have 5 molar sugar solution or other substance. Suppose you have 5 molar NaOH solution. It means 5 mole of NaCl dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Now here the solute is what? Sugar. So 2 moles of sugar present in 1 liter of solution. Okay, clear? Clear? 100% clear? Okay. Now here suppose you have the numerical. Suppose I have a numerical. There is a numerical. Find molarity. 40 gram NaOH dissolved in 250 ml solution. Okay, I have the numerical. Find molarity. 40 gram of NaOH dissolve in 250 ml of solution. 250 ml of solution. Okay, so now here the gram is given. So first you find the molecular mass of NaOH. Is what? Na is 23, oxygen is 16 and hydrogen is 1. It means 40. 40 gram per mole, the unit of molecular mass. Okay. Now the volume is what? 250 ml. So just you convert in liter to 250 divided by 1000 liter. Okay. Now the formula mass is given. So mass is what? 40 gram. So now here the formula, the second formula of molarity. The formula is what? Mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute into volume of solution in liter. So now here mass is what? 40. Molecular mass is also 40. And volume 250 divided by 1000 ना, तो 1000 कहाँ चला जाएगा? Okay. तो 40 cancel, 250 4 जा. It means 4 mole per liter. Okay. Clear? This is the first numerical. Now suppose you have find mass of Na2CO3 of 2 molar solution. Okay, so molarity is given. So first you write down what is a 2 molar. 2 moles of solute. Solute is what? Na2CO3. Present in 1 liter of solution. Clear? So you have molarity formula. Molarity is equals to what? Number of moles upon volume of solution in liter. Okay, so moles is what? 2 and volume is just wait, find moles is given na. Okay, now you have moles na. So first you write find a mass. Yeah, you have a mass. So molarity is given. So molarity is what? Just you wait. So molarity is 2 molar. 2 molar is number of moles. Number of moles is what? Mass upon molecular mass into volume of solution in liter na. So this is the second formula. The molarity is given. Mass is, you find X, and molar mass of Na2CO3, so just you find Na2CO3 molecular mass. Na is 23 into 2 plus carbon is 16 and oxygen 16 3 is 48. So 23 into 2 46 plus 16 plus 48, 8 6 14, 14 or 6 20, carry 2 6 7 7 4 11 है ना. Sorry, 8 6 14, 14 or 6 20, 6 7 7 or 4 11, 110. So 110 is molar mass and volume of solution in liter 1. So just you multiply, X is equals to 2 into 110, it means 220. 220 gram किसका है? Of Na2CO3. Easy? Clear? Now suppose you have another question. Question number 3. Find molarity of 10% W by W aqueous solution of H2SO4 if density of solution is equals to 1.1 gram per ml. Okay, solution, density of solution is given. So you know what is the meaning of 10% W by W means W aqueous solution of H2SO4. What is the meaning of 10%? It means 10 gram of H2SO4 present in 100 gram of solution. So 100 gram of solution, gram is given na, and mass is given. Okay, so you know the mass of solution is equals to volume of solution into density of solution. So mass of solution is given 100, volume of solution you find, and density is 1.1. So volume of solution is equals to 100 divided by 1.1. So 100 divided by 1.1 is what? 100 divided 1.1. So just this is a volume in liter, in ml. Okay, clear? So now you have the formula, molarity is equals to the second formula, mass of solute again, and molar mass of solute, and molar mass of solute into volume of solution in liter. Okay, so you have a mass is what? 10 gram, and the molecular mass of H2SO4. So just you find out the molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98 divided by 98 into volume of solution 100 divided by 1.1. Okay, so now it is converted into what? Liter. It is converted into what? Liter. So into 1000 again. So now we can write 10 divided by 9.8 into 100 into 1.1 into 1000. Okay, now I have an answer. The answer is what? The answer is what? 1.12. I have an answer. The answer is what? 1.12 mole per liter. Okay, clear? So this is a simple method of molarity. Now I have the another topic. This is based on the molarity again. Suppose you have molar. Molar means capital M. Suppose there is a molar, yani it means there is a coefficient is 1. The molarity is 1. It means it is represented by capital M. Suppose you have bimolar in the question. It means molarity is 2m. Suppose you have semimolar. Semimolar means m 1 by 2. It means m by 2. Suppose you have decimolar. Decimolar means 1 by 10 या m by 10. And suppose you have centimolar. It means 1 by 100 or m by 100. Okay. Now here your homework. Find the mass of KOH present in 150 centimeter cube of semimolar aqueous solution. So now this is a question. I'll explain again. Find the mass of KOH present in 150 centimeter cube of semimolar aqueous solution. So first you write down what is the meaning of semimolar. So semimolar is what? Semimolar means m by 2. Okay, semimolar aqueous solution. Semimolar aqueous solution is given. The question is what? The question is find the mass. The mass you find of KOH present in 150 centimeter cube. So you find the mass of KOH, okay, and the volume of solution is 150 centimeter cube. So you know 150 centimeter cube is equals to 150 ml. 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 ml. So it is divided by 1000 liter. So volume is given. Okay. Now molecular mass of KOH molecular mass of KOH. KOH, K is what? K is 39, oxygen is 16 and hydrogen is 1. So 39 plus 40 and 16 is 56. Clear? So now you find the mass. So what is the formula of molarity? Molarity is equals to mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute. So again, mass of solute molecular mass of solute into volume of solution in liter. Okay. So mass of solute you find X and molarity is given. Molarity is what? Semi-molar. So molarity is what? 1 by 2. Yeah. And the molecular mass of solute means 56 KOH. And the volume of solution is what? 150 divided by 1000. So 1 by 2 is equals to X into 1000 divided by 56 into 150. So X is equals to what? 56 into 150 divided by 2 into 1000. So 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 5 3s are 15, 20s are 2 10s are 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are so 21 divided by 5. So 5 4s are 20 decimal, 5 2s are 10. So this is what? X is equals to 4.2 gram. So this is a small video, okay, of molarity, and my next video is also based on the molarity. Okay student, thank you.